Hello. Yeah, I would like to start today from supplier purchases cafeteria and store. So, in a supplier is basically our third party vendor. Like we have a list of that suppliers who are supplying this items to the cafeteria or store or what we from where we are purchasing things. Like if we are, let's add the demo supplier, for instance, with the demo supplier, the contact probably is house number and the street that, and let's say um, and the contact number, let's say is, I will put mine, and let's say the name of the contact person which I am. So if I save it, then on a list it shows that it's a new we have added a new supplier here, and this is totally it rounds is totally over like that. We can just add a supplier and view a supplier, and while when we move on, we can see that under the purchases we can add the item which we have purchased from this specific supplier, like view item. Let's see when we hit the view item. So far there were only one supplier, and all the things are under the this category. You can search anything from like let's say testing item data, testing item data. Supplier name is test so far, and you can see that we will get this thing according to the search result. So if I add the item in a purchase, it means what we have purchased from Ali. We can enter the item. Item name is if it does not exist, then it should. Yeah, the select type is what we are doing. That if we are using it for an operational use, like if we are purchasing these equipments or any inventory from any supplier for the for other thing for office work or office equipment, we can set that operational. And if we are purchasing something for a cafeteria, then we can select the type of cafeteria. And if we are purchasing the thing for a store, then we can select that thing accordingly. Let's say we are purchasing that thing for the store, and the size of that thing is, let's say, 24. Sale price would be 2200. You can also select the color as well, and the purchase point, let's say it's 180. And you can also select the image. uh, for instance, if I select this one, let me save it. Item is added successfully. Now if I would like to take a look at that item, yeah, it's an bottom like store. We are using it for a store current stock, and yeah, we will add the stock as well. Images might be it's I think it's still loading. So if once it's uploaded, then it will show it. So while and there is another section of add stock. If we want to update the stock, then we have to select that item, and yeah, demo item 1 quantity, let's say we have 1000. Item batch number, let's say, is 1 size was a 24 color. We are adding the items. Okay, we are adding the stock of that item, and sale price is total is 100. Sale price is purchase price is 180. We are also updating the price as well. So let's see what happens. Okay, it is updated, and now we can view that thing from here. How much the stock? Yeah, okay, we got it. The stock is updated here, and product is all updated here. So uh, the purchase section is that thing, and now we will move on to the store section. Same as that, if you look into the store, this is the previous. Like someone want to purchase something from a store. For instance, if anyone is going to purchase a karate kit or uniform, let's say that Ahmad is going to purchase this item, two item of that, and we are going to we set the price of 400, and let's say it's an two, and we save that sale. We are actually selling it from here, and now we can take a look of view all sales which would be there, and all details are there, and view all purchases. Under the view all purchases we can um, see that we put it the quantity of 10,000, 10,000, and now there is two of them are sold, and the rest of them are here, like 10,000 minus 2 is equal to this one. So all the purchases we have made it is are available here. Yeah, it seems like a similar between the under the purchase section and the store section, but remember that here we are enlisting all of the them, like for cafeteria, for store, and the operational section as well. So for in under this section we will only see that the sales we have made through this intro store. So we all stock, we can view all stock as well. You see, again, it seems like it's a bit confusing thing, but it's not okay. There is a difference between these both things. We have a list of suppliers, and under which we can see that if we are working in a store, then it will only show the sales of store and purchases to a store. So okay. Now if we move on to the cafeteria, the similar concept works here, but with a slight difference. Like if we say that that guy is purchasing that thing, all sales. Now what happened here is the uniform has been sold out, and the item was available for cafeteria as well, and they are even selling that thing from here. But when we take a look of the all purchases, we cannot see that thing here. We cannot see that supplier here, because while we adding up purchases, we have to select the type of the supplier, and under which we can see the other purchases from purchases which from suppliers. Under the type we can see that thing, all purchases, like cafeteria is purchasing the things from supplier, and we have added the supplier, and we have added all the stocks from supplier, and store and cafeteria are managing thing from that supplier. So under all sales section we can see that Ahmed just purchased these items. Okay, so let's see. And all purchases. You see, we have been selling that thing. We sold out 55 one and 2 1, and the rest of the quantity is available here. And we can manage all both cafeteria and store from the purchases. And the cafeteria and the store are individually managed by their own under their own section. So these three sections are completed here. I will describe the now in this video we understood the four sections: supply, purchases, store, and cafeteria. Now in the next version we will move to the unions and leave, employees, and job type. Thank you.